Okay, this is my super secret, okay, totally not secret skill. It's not even a skill. It's something I do to all the flowers to get them to stay beautiful and perky longer. Again, doing event work, you're gonna have to start designing earlier and earlier, and this stuff is amazing. It's Crown and Glory. I think it's Crown and Glory. It is. It's Crown and Glory. And I've been using it so long, I could not even know the name and know what I'm looking at. We have bottles and bottles of this so that we can keep spraying our pieces and making them look great. This is recently something that we were taught by another local florist, and it has changed our life. Crown and Glory clogs, the little sprayers that they come in all the time, and this here is a very simple insecticide sprayer. And what we're gonna do is give this a once over with Crown and Glory, so it's gonna stay crisp and fabulous for days. And we're gonna do it with one pump of the thumb as opposed to getting a cramp in your hand. You ready? Ah! Isn't that amazing? Make sure you get all the way over, in the back, on the side. And that is it. Isn't that amazing? Do it every time you need to take stock in Crown and Glory. It will change your life.